the edge of the city, a crowd is waiting for the one who had been promised long ago. See the rider on a beast of burden. Who is this man who's coming down the road?
Voices are rising, branches waving in the air. Jerusalem makes a mighty noise. Shout for joy. He's the Messiah, Lord of heaven and earth, and he's coming now to reign upon his throne. He's the Messiah. Praise the living word. Sing Hosanna and let his name be known. Messiah.
Well above the horizon, the clouds are parting. The new age dawns, the promised one appears.
See the rider on a white horse mounted. The final triumph of the King is near. Voices of